Okay, this is the Lockwood that I received from Jerry. This is the bitting on the key. So let's open it up and take a look at it. Okay, let's see if we want to use, try using the bottom of the keyway. I have not opened this lock, so I don't really know which is the best way to go on it. So we'll try this and see what happens. Okay, let's try this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. It felt like we got some on 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go to the back again. Some more on 1. Let's go to the back. Let's relax the tension just a little. Okay, there's 5 and it's open. Alright, let's see if we can take a look at this, see what it takes to get into it. Get a different Phillips. See if we can pull it out. Okay, there it is, a tight fit. Okay, I don't think we'll gut this. Haven't been into one of these before. Let's see if the screws will come out. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what's in this lock, if we can. Okay, it's actually a 6-pin. I didn't even know how many pins this thing had. I didn't even check it. Thought it was a 5-pin. But all 6 pins are in it and working. This is a Lockwood 234B45. Take a look at the okay, just all standard pins in the bottom. Nothing has been changed up about the plug. Let me get this down a little bit. Okay, let's see what's in pin number 1. Okay, that's a spool. It's another standard pin, looks like. That one looks like a spool. That's standard. Standard. And a standard, looks like. Okay, let's just take a closer look at the pins. Okay, on 1, 2, and 3, standard pins in the bottom. One spool on number 1, one spool on number 3, and this is a standard pin. 4, 5, and 6 is all standard, top and bottom. These look like they are, no, those are brass. Look like steel pins, but I think they're brass. Yeah, they're brass. Okay, that's what we have in this Lockwood 234B45. Thanks for this lock, Jerry. I'll get it back to you just as soon as I can. Please, everyone, stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.